Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Mini Dashcam 1080p Full HD with 32GB South Dakota card, 2.45-inch IPS screen, 2 mounting ways, night vision, WDR, accident lock, loop recording parking monitor. This compact and powerful dashcam is a must-have for any car owner. The Mini Dashcam front and rear comes with a 170 wide-angle 1080p front camera and a 720p HD waterproof rear camera, ensuring that you capture everything happening on the road. The IPS display and WDR function make video recording vivid and clear, even in low-light conditions. We've included a 32GB South Dakota card, so you can use the dashcam right. The loop recording function ensures that you never miss a moment, while the G sensor automatically locks and retains videos in the event of an accident. The Super Night Vision and Parking Monitor functions offer added peace of mind. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories, and our all-in-one design means that even a novice can set up and install this dashcam with ease. Plus, we offer lifetime technical support and reliable customer care, so you can purchase with confidence. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Click the link in the description to get your own Mini Dashcam front and rear today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great deals and product reviews.